This is Digistore24, and this is a very interesting website that we are going to share today. Today I'm going to show you how to use a website like this to explore a lot of opportunities that you can use outside there. Today we are going to talk about digital marketing in line with affiliate marketing. This is a very good way that people are getting money, and I'm going to show you, if you stick around the video, how you're going to market this and get even more payments through this. Number one is, the first thing you have to do is here you have to sign up for free, which is here. All you have to click there, and then you have to register for a free account. This is available anywhere you are in Africa, Europe, Asia. You can do this. So for me, I have already an account, so I go and I say I want to log in, and this is a platform that very many people have actually visited, and people are using this method. And I'm going to show you very many skills that you can actually use to drive traffic to these affiliate links. Yeah, what's an affiliate link? An affiliate link is where you promote a product that is digital and you get paid a commission for doing it, and everything is so simple when you do this. My internet sucks, but let me just I'm going to change my internet. This website is a digital marketing platform where you're provided with an affiliate link. Affiliate link, I was telling you, you promote a product, you put that link to a website that you've created, and when someone clicks on it and purchases something through that link, you get paid a commission, yeah, from that link that someone actually clicked. And I'm going to show you how all those things look like, and just hold on with me a few seconds, and I'm going to show you how all these programs actually work. Yeah, all you have to do here is just press this button here that says register now, and this will come, and you'll have to actually fill in all these details about you. Here you want to be an affiliate, yeah, and put in your username, put in the affiliate link, which if it's there, in email address, repeat the email address, and then here you're going to put your password. Repeat your password, choose your country that you're from. I was telling you that this is available anywhere in the world, so you don't need actually to worry about anything about that. And then put in your title, put in your name, last name, company, address, street, zip, and city. Then country, come here, choose, select your country that you're from, and then put in your phone number here, put in your Skype name if it's there, and then tick these options here that you agree with the terms and conditions of the contract. And then like, it's so easy. When you're done with all that, just register for free now, and then you'll be good to go. This is how it looks on the inside, and it's so simple. It shows you your earnings here, and then the promo links that you have, your earnings again. There are so many things that you can get in here. So this is a very new account. So this is how this works. You go to marketplace here. So when you're in marketplace, you're actually going to see so many products here. You see 537 results. From the top, it shows the most common, most profitable products that are there to promote. When you see here, like, you get 85% of the commission, which means that you're literally going to get paid 154. So keep in mind that this 154 isn't exactly going to be the amount you're going to earn. There are other things here. You see average received, like commission 85. Then you see this is, they are trying to tell, like, this is an average that you can be earning, but it's possible that you can be earning lower than this, let's say 100, or you can be earning more than this, which is like 200 per purchase, depends on the person. So there are so many products here. There is the ultimate ghetto, which is also very popular, and then you see here there is a YouTube master and monetization book by Matt Parr. This is a very famous YouTuber that I can encourage you to continue, even read the book and purchase it. Home Doctor. So how do you do this? All you have to do is come and click here. Let me look for a thing that I don't promote. Let me look for one like this one. I just say promote now. When I press promote now, they are going to redirect me to a page like this. So all I have to do is copy this. When I copy this, you see that when I copy this and go and open, this is the product I'm promoting, and this is your link. Just control copy, and then put this somewhere safe that you can actually remember. When you come, this is a page, like this is how it looks. You see, it's very good and very easy. It can compel someone to purchase this product. So when you go down, they give them an option to purchase the product, and if they do purchase that product, you're going to be paid. Let's see, you're going to be paid 25. So where to promote these things is always the first place, I think, is YouTube. On the description, I'm going to show you how it looks like. On the description of YouTube, you're going to see that you're able to put these descriptions in your YouTube channel, and then when someone goes and reads all that, they'll be compelled actually to click on that link. The other option is actually using blogs. Those are sites that are written. There's so many people who write blogs there, so you can actually put in your link in a blog. And then the other option is Instagram. Instagram is another option that you can use for putting this. Create a very strong Instagram page with highlights of what you're actually desiring to do, and focus it on the product that actually you're selling, and people will be convinced to come. Another way is to buy such shouts. That's like shouts out from Instagram. People can sometimes buy those things, and then the more shout outs you have on Instagram, people can actually get interested to you. You have more followers, so they can definitely click on your link. So that is it for today.